What's up guys, welcome to our channel Anime Fever. I'm always posting top 10 new anime lists, so if you're new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. And if you really find this video enjoyable, show your love by liking and commenting. It's also motivate me to keep uploading new videos. Okay friends, let's get started. Top 10 superpower anime with overpowered main character. Okay friends, let's get started.
Legends never die when the world's calling. Can you hear them screaming ocean light?
Number 10, Dice Array 2018 Season 1 Episode 17 Dubious. The genre is action magic superpower. On May 1, 1945, in Berlin, as the Red Army raises the Soviet flag over the Reichskanzlei, a group of Nazi officers conduct a ritual. For them, the slaughter in the city is nothing but the perfect ritual sacrifice in order to bring back the Order of the 13 Lances, a group of Supermen whose coming would bring the world destruction. Years later, no one knows if this group of officers succeed or whether they lived or died. Few know of their existence, and even those who knew begin to pass away as the decade passed. Now in December, in the present day in Suhara city, Ran Fuji spent his day at the hospital. It has been 2 months since the incident that brought him to the hospital. A fight with his friend Shihiro Yusha where they almost try to kill each other. He tries to value what he has left to him, but every night he sees the same dream, a guillotine murderers who hunt people and the black cloth knight who pursue the murderers. He is desperate to return to his normal everyday life, but even now he hears Shiru words. Everyone who remains in the city eventually lost their mind. Number 9, Gunjo no Magmal 2019 Season 1 Episode 13 Dub Years. The genre is action, adventure, fantasy, shonen, superpower. One day in the middle of a Pacific Ocean, a miracle occurred. A new continent appeared out of nowhere. The continent was the home for new and mysterious plants, creatures, and minerals. Humanity is excited as the age of exploration. Okay, so you have to see what will they find out or not. Number 8, Hamatora 2014 Season 2 Episode 25 Dub Yes. The genre is comedy, mystery, shonen, superpower, action. January 8, 2014, the story revolves around minimum or minor miracle special heredity powers, discovered only in an extremely limited number of humans. Those who possess such power are known as minimum holders. Number 7, Kekai Sensation 2017 Season 2 Episode 24 Dub Yes. The genre is action, adventure, fantasy, shonen, superpower, supernatural vampire. A bridge between Earth and Netherworld has opened up over the city of New York, trapping New Yorkers and creatures from other dimensions in an impenetrable bubble. They lived together for years in a world of crazy crime, science fiction sensibilities. Now someone is threatening to sever the bubble, and a group of stylish supermen is working to keep it from happening. Number 6, Charlotte 2016 Season 1 Episode 14 Dub Yes. The genre is school, superpower, action, mystery. The story centers around the special abilities that occurs among a small percentage of boys and girls in puberty. Yu Otosaka uses his power without other knowing and lives a fairly normal average school life. Before him suddenly appears a girl, Neo Tomori. Due to his meeting with her, the fate of special power users will be exposed. Number 5, Gurren Lagann 2007 Season 1 Episode 30 Dub Yes. The genre is action, comedy, mecha, science fiction, adventure, mystery. Simon and Kamina were born and raised in a deep underground village, hidden from the fabled surface. Kamina is a free-spirited loose cannon bent on making a name for herself, while Simon is a timid young boy with no real aspiration. One day, while excavating the hearth, Simon stumbles upon a mysterious object that turns out to be the ignition key or to an ancient artifact of the war, which the Dio dubs Lagan. Use their new weapons, Simon and Kamina fend off a surprise attack from the surface with the help of Yoko Littner, a hot bloodhead redhead wielding a massive gun who wanders the world above. In the aftermath of the battle, the sky is now in plain view, prompting Simon and Kamina to set off on a journey alongside Yoko to explore the wasteland of the surface. Soon they join the fight against the Beastman, humanoid creature that terrorize the remnants of humanity in powerful robots called Gunmen. Although they face some challenges and setbacks, the trio bravely fights these new enemy alongside other survivors to reclaim the surface while slowly unleashing a galaxy-sized mystery. Number 4. Claymore 2007 Season 1 Episode 26 Dubbed as the genre is action adventure fantasy shonen supernatural superpower. In a world rife with deadly creatures called Yoma, a young silver-eyed woman Claire works on the behalf of an organization that trains female Yoma half-breeds into warrior with the ability to destroy these creatures. Consider Rose for picking up a stray child and almost losing herself to her Yoma. Side by awakening, she is continuously assigned more. Number 3. Darker Than Black 2010 Season 2 Episode 42 Dubbed as the genre is action mystery science fiction superpower. In Tokyo, an impenetrable field known as Hellgate appeared 10 years ago. At the same time, psychics who wield paranormal powers at the cost of their conscience also emerged. Hei is one of the most powerful of these psychic agents, and along with his blind associate Yin, work for one of the many rival agencies vying to unlock the mystery. Number 2. Black Cat 2005 Season 1 Episode 24 Dubbed as the genre is adventure comedy science fiction shonen superpower. Train Hurt is known as the Black Cat for his quick reactions to attack and his title as number 13 as member of secret society Kornos. He is an unbeatable master gunman, a cold and unfeeling killer until he meets Saya, a bounty hunter or swiper. She teaches him the value of human life and that one should live in order to repay. Number 1. Elfen Light 2004 Season 1 Episode 13 Dubbed as the genre is action drama ichi horror psychological romance superpower. The Decloni, otherwise known as the two-horned human, are a mutant of human species, may well be the next step in human evolution. The Decloni have horns and strong telekinetic power represented by arms. However, with this great power, they could easily destroy the human race. Fearful of their power, humans quarantined the Decloni into secret research facility to study. However, in a freak accident, an enraged female Decloni escaped, killing many guards in the process. Interesting enough, the female escape appears to have suffered amnesia after her escape floated to Yoigama of the Kakamaraku city. Then she meets two people named Kota and Yuku, who name the female Decloni New and decide that they all should live together. I hope friend you really like this video. If you really like this video, show your love by commenting and liking, and please subscribe our channel if you're new on this. It's also motivate me to keep uploading new videos. Okay friends, thank you, bye bye, see ya next time.